Welcome aboard Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas for a full ship tour in 4K. Let's start at the top and at the front with the beautiful solarium. This one is for adults only. It's a relaxing oasis with cascading pools. It also has a swing. There's panoramic windows all across the front of the ship, and the solarium features 4 large hot tubs. There's the sunshine bar for drinks and the small solarium bistro, which is sometimes open behind. Moving towards the back of the ship, we have another solarium. This time it's the family solarium. This is great for all-weather cruises such as Alaska and the UK, where it can get quite chilly, and is open to everyone. It features an opening roof, a large pool, hot tubs and a pool bar. Moving back to the main pool area, the most prominent feature is the North Star. It's a gigantic robotic arm with a pod at the end, providing stunning views. There's 2 bars, the Sky Bar and North Star Bar, and plenty of seating and sun lounges. There's a large pool and screen and a smaller kids area with a whirlpool and splash zone. There's also a small grill serving complimentary food and an ice cream station serving complimentary soft serve ice cream. For an extra cost, there's Johnny Rockets serving burgers, hot dogs, shakes and American classics. Moving towards the back is Gigi, the giant giraffe artwork, which leads us into the Seaplex and the Seaplex Doghouse, serving complimentary hot dogs. The Seaplex is a sports court and arena hosting different sports, dodgems, acrobatics and even rollerblading. There's different gaming areas and table tennis on offer too. And if you fancy something a little bit more intense, at the very back of the ship there's the surf simulator Flowrider. And the skydiving simulator iFly by Ripcord. Who would have thought these things would be found on a cruise ship? Then there's the climbing wall as well. Next up we have the Vitality Fitness Centre, a well-equipped gym if you're into that kind of thing on vacation. Then the Vitality Spa and Salon for treatments and pampering at an extra cost. Moving on, we have the Windjammer Marketplace, the ship's buffet restaurant, and wow, it's an impressive space with an even more impressive offering of food. There really is something for everybody here. There's a drink station for complimentary water, juice, iced tea, teas and coffees, as well as a bar and coffee shop for extra paid drinks. There's really cool art all around the ship. It's really quirky. We love it. Now for a quick look into one of the kids' clubs. It's a great, well-themed space. There's different clubs for kids of all ages and teens aged from 3 to 17. They're all complimentary. Next, we're going to take a brief look at our standard balcony cabin on deck 13. For a more in-depth tour, check out our Anthem of the Seas vlogs, where we go into much more detail and show you fully around our lovely cabin. Moving all the way down to deck 5, we have the Royal Theatre. It's a huge theatre offering great entertainment, including the West End and Broadway hit show We Will Rock You. It was absolutely fantastic. Other shows include visiting musical and comedy acts. Right behind the theatre is the Focus Photo Gallery, where you can purchase images taken by the ship's photographers. Next door is the Schooner Bar, a lovely nautical themed bar with trivia and music throughout the day. There's even seats overlooking the shopping promenade area too. Attached to the bar is the extra pay restaurant Chops Grill. It's an American steakhouse restaurant. And just along from that is Azumi, the sushi and Asian themed restaurant. This is also an extra pay venue. And it overlooks the amazing Royal Esplanade, the heart of the ship filled with shops, restaurants and bars. On one side of the upper Royal Esplanade area is the Bionic Bar, featuring a pair of quirky robots that serve you your drinks. It really is a fantastic experience and a must-do. If you have the drinks package, this is included, which is really fantastic. Next door is the Shore Excursions shop, where you can find and book different port excursions. The main art piece on the Esplanade is a huge chandelier. When you place your hands on the console, it glows and pulses to your heartbeat. Pretty cool, huh? On the other side of the upper Esplanade is another extra pay restaurant called Wonderland. It's based on Alice in Wonderland, it's well themed, and it's all about pushing the culinary envelope with quirky and unusual dishes. Staying on this deck and moving towards the aft, you have the Via, another area surrounded by a restaurant, bar, shops and seating areas. First up is Jamie's Italian, an extra paid dining venue serving delicious Italian food by celebrity chef Jamie Oliver. There's a selection of shops and then the wine bar Vintages. And moving back, there's loads of comfortable seating to chill out and lounge in. Relax. And as we move further back, you can find the next cruise area. This is where you can book future cruises with extra incentives and discounts. The Cafe 270 is a complimentary dining venue open for breakfast and lunch, and we really love it here. There's a great salad bar, sandwiches, pastries, a carvery, and a selection of drinks and desserts and more. And connected to this at the very back is 270. By day, there's 270 degrees of panoramic windows looking over the back of the ship, and by night, it really comes to life as an entertainment venue. It even features robotic moving screens and the headlining show Spectra's Cabaret. It really is a must-see. Over the 2 decks below 270, you will find the 4 complimentary main dining rooms: Silk, Chic, the Grand, and the American Icon Grill. These are open for breakfast and dinner every day, as well as lunch on sea days. You will usually be assigned a specific restaurant and table to eat in. All the menus in these 4 main dining rooms will be exactly the same. Now, back to the lower level of the Royal Esplanade. You will find guest services as well as shops in the middle of the Esplanade. As well as shops all around. Cafe Promenade offers complimentary coffee, tea, water and juice, as well as a selection of light bites, sandwiches and snacks. And just next door is the complimentary pizzeria called Sorrento's, offering pizza and Italian bites until the early hours of the morning. Just adjacent to Sorrento's is the Brass and Bock, the British-themed pub, featuring extra pay food items as well as a large selection of beers and ales, as well as live entertainment and football and sports games. We love to spend time on the Royal Esplanade. It's always buzzing. It's a great place just to chill out, eat, drink and shop. La Patissière is an extra pay coffee shop that also serves cakes and treats, also for an extra cost. Right next door is Bolero's, the Latin-themed club and after-hours hotspot, featuring great drinks as well as live entertainment throughout the evening. On the deck below the Royal Esplanade, you'll find a large casino featuring lots of machines and games. And to the aft of the Royal Esplanade is another street of shops. Attached to this street you will find the Music Hall. It's a great multi-level venue featuring live bands and entertainment. As well as multiple bars and pool tables. We really hope you enjoyed our tour of the Royal Caribbean Anthem of the Seas. Please do give us a subscribe and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. It really helps us bring you more free content. And a big thank you to all of our patrons. You too could become a patron and get extra videos, behind the scenes footages, postcards from trips whilst we're away, and a monthly live Zoom call. Check out the description below to become a patron. It really helps us to create unbiased and honest reviews and videos with your support. That's it till next time. Happy cruising!